What's going on, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to actually pull some usernames that I've entered into a MySQL database up here. I have an app where users sign up and they give a username and sign up with all the normal stuff you would use for a website. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use this side over here, all this PHP code, and we're going to call that into a table that is gonna go in order. So with the way we have it sorted right now is the first person who signed up is at the top of the list, and then the most recent person who signed up is at the bottom. So anyhow, that's all kind of irrelevant, but what we're going to be breaking into is this is PHP, and this framework right here is HTML with Bootstrap for the styling right here. So what we have is like an app where users would have their username, the game they're playing, and then they're going to be looking for other players to play with. So in a previous video I made a submission form where they can sign up, so they can sign up fully, and then we have the username here. So we're going to show you how to get to that. So let's go focus over here on the PHP file. So over here we have this file called usermainlist.php, and that's just what I named it. So what that consists of is just a table, right? And then right here we have our table body, and then we have a table row, and then inside that table row what we did was we started a line of PHP code, right? And so what we're doing here is we're giving all of the server credentials for the MySQL database, right? So we just have it set on our local. So this is the where the this is the server name, the username, the password, and the database name, right? And then we create a connection to that using all of those things that we just defined up here. And then if it doesn't connect, then let us know. Okay, and so right here we just have our SQL. So we're saying, hey, I want you to select the username from this table we made, user data. Okay, so we're just saying, hey, get us this row from this table that's in this database over here. Pretty easy. So then we say if whatever you get, right? If you get a bunch of usernames, and if it's anything more than 0, then go ahead and put that out here. And what I want you to do is make a new row every time there's a username. That's what I did. And so essentially all these other pieces right here, which I'm gonna eventually in other videos put in more data in here, what you're gonna want to do is just you're going to want to call for your other tables, your table rows right here. So let's say we wanted first name over here in this next row. You would just put that beside it, and yeah, that'd be pretty much it. And then if anything messes up with it, you just echo 0 results, and then you close the connection. So that is how that all works. So I can drop a link to this code so that you can go ahead and you can call things from your database. You will have to change all of this stuff to meet your, obviously your, you need to learn how this works, so you're going to need to change these credentials to match yours, right? Because these are things that would change relative to what you've named it. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Follow the link in the description, and have a good one.